number of Ghanaians and Ghanaians overseas. Israel became Israel because of the Jews overseas. India, because the Indians overseas. It will be very unfortunate for us to do anything like that, and we shall not, NPP, we shall not do it.
I see. Finally, since we're waiting for the president to start speaking, there's the inventor of the fiber optics, Dr. Thomas Mensah.
I've met him, wonderful man. Wonderful man. We'll continue.
About the bullet trains, are we going to do
it's a high-speed train, it's not a bullet train. A bullet train is 300 miles and over. There are very few bullet trains in the world. He's talking about high-speed train, 250 miles per hour. And so that's the difference. I met him, we are working with him, God bless him.
Okay, I met him, God bless him. We'll see how it goes. But we really have to rush this because we need to hear the president. President Akufu Addo will be speaking now. Let's go over to him. Let's look at the euphoria that precedes his speech.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please, let's be outstanding. Bye. This is the NPP.